Do you believe this video is created using AI?
Everyone is talking about AI videos, but let's be real. Does every AI tool generates the quality which a creator needs? No. So today I'm going to tell you a tool which do lip synced videos, viral creative ads, or product replacement videos, and you don't need to go here and there in multiple tools to generate images, to generate videos. You can do everything in one single tool. Yes, you have heard it correctly. So without any further ado, let's start exploring this new latest AI video generation tool. But well, before that, make sure you're already subscribed to the channel, hit that bell icon and like the video. Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing Gen AI platform, and they are positioning themselves as the most creator friendly tool in the space. With WAN 2.5, they are not just matching Sora, they are solving the gaps creators actually face. You can instantly generate talking videos with accurate lip sync. You can animate any photo in seconds, whether it's celebrity picture, an anime character, or even a meme.
It's time for revenge!
You can produce polished ads and promos in minutes. And you can play with built-in VFX design for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube formats, all inside one platform with unlimited access. So what makes WAN 2.5 stand out? Let me break it down. First, high quality talking videos. WAN nails lip sync and voiceover alignment on the very first render. Second, animate any photo. Just upload an image and instantly you are going to get a moving, expressive character. Third, polished ads and promos for marketers. WAN lets you build cinematic ads, complete with camera movement, effects, and synced audio. Fourth, VFX built for variety. Eye-catching visuals that grab attention in the first few seconds. And finally, it's all in one. Instead of juggling multiple tools, WAN combines everything in one place. Why it is better than Sora? Now, the big question, how does Higgsfield WAN 2.5 compare to Sora? Sora has amazing research demos, but it hasn't shipped features that creators actually use. Higgsfield WAN 2.5 already includes motion, audio, expressions, cinematic feel, and even reasoning for abstract prompts. It also supports longer clips, multiple aspect ratios, and delivers in full HD quality. Basically, it feels like the updated Sora promised but never delivered.
With great power comes great chicken.
And here's why creators are loving it. It's culture ready, it supports stylized prompts, celebrities, and meme language without restrictions. It's unlimited, everyone gets free runs daily, and paid users get unlimited generations. It's efficient, lip sync, sound effect, and camera move all align perfectly on very first render. It's next gen quality, full HD videos with cinematic dynamics, and it saves time. More formats, more length, and faster turnaround for TikTok Reels and YouTube, and you can generate Instagram Reels as well. And here's something you don't want to miss. Right now there is a limited time, unlimited offer. You get access not only to Higgsfield WAN, but also to Kling, Sidream, CDNs, Minimax, and Nano Banana models. But it's only available until Friday, October 10th at midnight Pacific time. So, if you want unlimited access to the best models, now is the time to claim it. So let's see how to generate videos using Higgsfield AI. What you have to do is just open any browser and type in this URL higgsfield.ai. I'll put this link in the description as well, so you can just go to that link and start creating the videos. Just log in with your Google account and go to video. Here you have to select the model which you want to generate the videos. You can use any model available here. I'm going to show you how WAN 2.5 because this is the latest and the newest model which they have launched. So I'm just selecting WAN 2.5 and I'll just put my prompt here. You can add a reference image if you want to animate it, but let's just give it a prompt and let's keep enhance on. Model we have already selected. We can select the duration. Let's select 10 seconds and just let's click on generate. And now it will generate the video for you. While it is generating the video, make sure you already subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon as well so that you get notifications for all our future uploads. Meanwhile it is generating videos, let's explore creations with other creators and you can see how beautifully it has generated the videos.
We hold the line no matter the cost!